Hey guys, and welcome back to Pit Stop. First off, I need to say thank you to all of you that has been watching our videos and subscribing to the channel the last couple of days. It's been amazing to see when we now started to make some proper content, and in English actually, to see that the reception has been amazing, to be honest. So if you're already a subscriber, huge thanks. If you're not, think about if we have deserved it, or if you are willing to gamble on hitting that subscribe button and follow us forward, where we have a lot of cool content coming up. And of course, make sure to hit that like button and give us some ideas in the comments if you feel we have deserved it. But today we're going to Halmstad. Once again, I'm going to meet up with the Count. We're going to a car meet at the Halmstad arena. Before we go to Halmstad, I'm actually going to pick up two big car nuts that has immense knowledge about cars. Henning and Eddi, two dear friends that will join me to Halmstad and meet up with the Count. So, without further ado, let's get on the road and pick the guys up. Guys, what are the odds? I'm here at Flädje on the way to Halmstad, picking up Eddi and Henning, and on the pickup site we have Nordic supercars. They're actually here doing an event where you can rent, for example, a 650 horsepower GTR, a Slingshot, or an 800 plus Hellcat that is out and about on the roads. And yeah, I must say, I'm kind of intrigued. And here we have the Hellcat, black and angry as it should be, the heart of the beast. Hellcat 800 horsepower plus. That's a proper air filter, guys. Now let's hear some revs. Oh my god! Oh, I'm deaf. I hope the mic actually could pick that up. That was insanely loud. And that last pop in my chest. Ah! This is a good start, guys, on the day. This is a good start. That's insane. Perfect, thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
There you have it, guys. Screaming GTR and a really rumbling Dodge Hellcat. Awesome. Let's get it on the road for some other cars. Guys, we have arrived, and we have the Count. He's here with the RS6. I hope you haven't missed the video we did with the RS6. If you have, check up here in the corner if you should buy one. Eddi started complaining about scratches on the car already. It's a daily driver. It is what it is. Hello, Count.
Hello. Jag frågade precis om man har varit i samma garage som dig och kört med bil.
The flame war has begun. I might have nicked my car in a big cement pole at one time, so yeah, I guess I had that coming. No, not at all. We had a nice dinner at Hotel Mortensson. The entire crew, and we ate what's kål in English?
In English?
In English. Cauliflower, just
It is really
the count is on the money. It was really, really good. Tasted wonderfully, but yeah, it was like
tiny,
super tiny. Yeah. Eddie is super hungry. I'm hungry. Henrik is hungry. Only Henning with the burger made it through the dinner. Anyways, we had a really nice time today. We've just been talking a lot about cars, enjoying B1 and B4, running around with the V10 cars, and having an awesome day in the sun, to be honest. Haven't done that much serious stuff, but hopefully we'll see some cars now at Halmstad Arena as well, where we hope there will be a car meet, because it was completely empty earlier before. But yeah, let's go to Halmstad Arena and hope we can find some cars. Okay guys, so it's supposed to be a car meet to the left.
Look at those exclusive cars.
This looks...
I think we're done, right?
I saw 3 EPA tractors. I don't that must be a really correct English word. EPA tractor for you Swedes out there. Oh! Wait a second! We have something. Guys, we have a car meet. I would maybe call this in Swedish raggarträff, but hey, pickers can't be choosers. So what's the expression? Warm, super warm.
No, not really.
No, it's actually pretty cold, guys. We've just arrived, and for you who don't know, which might actually be quite a few of you if you're not from Sweden, is that Eddi is an awesome tuner that has gotten a really good reputation for doing amazing stuff with especially Cupras. And he's actually closing shop, which is really sad. But it's great to hang out with him. He has insane knowledge about cars and tuning. Well guys, you can see there are quite a few nice cars here, but you know us, we like the Audis. And here we have a really nice RS6 C7, and I just talked with the owner, Gani, who has this, it's tuned from ABT to 666 horsepower. So quite a light tune, but still really powerful car, and with the much quicker gearbox, it's gonna be a nice car to compare to the C6 RS6 with the V10 engine and around 700 horsepower. So if you would like to see that kind of comparison, let us know in the comments. The C7 RS6 versus the C6 RS6. And yeah, while we love our Audis, you can't complain when you see a brand new BMW M4. Super nice with the carbon fiber trim, the black paint job, and those mean looking rear lights. A really nice car. That life rarely is fair. Here we have a real prime example of this. This wonderful girl is driving this car before she has her license. In Sweden we call it övningskörning. So you can see the nice sign here on the back. So yeah, she's here with her mother. It's her father's car. It's a 570 GT from 2017 that has been tuned by Rego Racing in Sweden to 720 horsepower, which is 720s territory power-wise. Insane car. Carbon fiber tub, everything. It just stands out from the crowd here, definitely. And you have a girl driving this before she gets her license. Yeah, I didn't do that when I was 18 or 19. So yeah, a pretty decent car to get your license in. 720 horsepower, 570 GT. Okay guys, it's time to get back home. We have a bit of a drive. Eddie needs to go out partying. Me and Henning is gonna go home and take it easy. I have a daughter who's gonna wake up 6 in the morning. I need to get some sleep, but it's been a good day. I think the Count might be staying here for a while, checking out the cars. And yeah, it turned out to be a pretty decent day after all. If you feel that we have deserved it, please give the video a thumbs up, a like, and of course subscribe if you want more car content from us. We have a lot of cool projects coming, and we will do more stuff with other cars as well. Thanks guys, take care, see you later.